Hey everyone, welcome back to NextWave News. We've got a big day in audio tech to talk about. Nothing's first ever over-ear headphones, the Headphone 1. Let's break down everything you need to know. First off, the design. You're looking at a bold, transparent ear cup style that puts Nothing's signature aesthetics front and center. Picture a mix of an aluminum frame and a see-through casing, showcasing the components inside, like a wearable cassette player meets futuristic tech look. It's unique, eye-catching, and meant to be seen. Now let's talk controls. Instead of touch-sensitive surfaces, you get real tactile buttons and switches. There's a roller dial for volume and ANC settings, a button you can customize, voice assistant, channel hop, etc., a paddle for skipping tracks or calls, and a power switch. The idea? No guesswork. Intuitive controls you can feel without looking. Sound is where Nothing teamed with KF, the British high-fidelity experts. Inside each ear cup is a custom 40mm dynamic driver, tuned for clarity and balance, featuring warm lows, clean mids, and crisp highs, and supporting high-res audio, LDAC, USB-C lossless playback, and spatial audio modes. You can also personalize tunes with an 8-band EQ in the app. Let's touch on noise cancellation and transparency mode. Adaptive ANC handles up to 42 dB of noise reduction by scanning your environment in real time. Transparency mode keeps you aware of your surroundings when needed. Battery-wise, you get up to 80 hours of playback with ANC off and around 35 hours with it on. A quick 5-minute charge gives several hours of playtime, and the cans weigh in around 329 g, fairly lightweight for over-ear ANC. On the flip side, some early reviewers mentioned that call quality could be better, and that design isn't for everyone. It's bold and loud, literally and visually. Also, you can't use the analog jack if the battery dies, and while they offer dual-device Bluetooth, there's no multi-point support yet. In terms of availability, pricing is $299 USD/Euro, £299/pound 299. Pre-orders begin July 4th, and shipping starts July 15th. It's positioning itself as a strong mid-tier competitor to flagship models like AirPods Max and Sony WH-1000 XM6, but at a more accessible price point with standout design. If this looks like your vibe, bold design meets premium sound, drop a comment and let me know your thoughts. And if you're all about ANC and call quality, I'm curious to hear what you value most in headphones right now. Hit subscribe and ring the bell if you want more tech reviews, comparisons, and audio deep dives. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.